Hi everyone, welcome back to Jurisprudence by Jen. You are here with Jennifer Dickwist, and I'm an attorney here in the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania. I own my own law firm called JD Law, where I focus my practice in the areas of family law and general civil law. This is the fifth video in a series looking at the 16 factors a judge considers when evaluating a custody case. So if you missed the other videos, make sure you go back, check them out, and let me know if you have any questions. Today we are going to be addressing factors 5 and 6 of the custody factors because they tend to go hand in hand. Factor 5 is the availability of extended family, and factor 6 is the child's sibling relationships. As always, I have to put out my disclaimer that I'm not allowed to provide specific legal advice in these videos, but I am able to give you a general overview of the law and general information. If you do have a legal question or concern, or if you need more information pertaining to your individual case, please contact me by phone at 412-295-8066 or email at jennifer@jdlawpa.com, and we can go over the specifics of your case at that time. With factor 5, the court is going to look at who is available outside the immediate area to be there for the child. This could be grandparents, it could be cousins, it could be basically anybody that you have around your child. Do relatives live nearby you? Do the children get to go to family events regularly? Are you heavily involved with your extended family? It is important for the child to be able to build positive relationships with extended family, from grandparents to cousins to aunts and uncles. Building these relationships is important, especially if the child has always had these relationships in their life. If one parent has a very large extended family living in the same general area with other family members maybe attending or working at the same school as the child, that may weigh in that parent's favor, especially if that is what the child has known for the majority of their life. On the other hand, if the other parent has a small family that lives all over the country, is inaccessible, can't babysit, can't be around, can't attend events, that may work against them. It just depends on when you look at it compared to the other parent and when you look at it compared to the case as a whole. Factor 6 takes into account the child's relationships with their biological siblings, step-siblings, and half-siblings. If there are other children in the household already operating on a separate custody order and separate custody schedule, it may be important to include that information when you're speaking with the judge in an effort to sync those schedules as closely as possible. This would allow all the children involved to build relationships with each other and be involved in family activities. This would make sure that parents aren't having to schedule separate family activities to make sure each child is getting to do things. The judge is going to weigh these factors, as always, and if they're present, and they will help him or her make a decision that will then help your child maintain the bonds with not only your extended family, but also any half-siblings or step-siblings that may be included in the family dynamic. So that is all for factors 5 and 6. They are quick, they are easy, and they are easily understood. We will be back next week with factor 7. Thank you for tuning in to Jurisprudence by Jen. If you have any questions, please go over to our webpage, jdlawpa.com. There's a contact page. You can always submit questions on there. You could send us a direct inquiry. Always remember that the legal advice can only be specific to your case if you call in, and that would be 412-295-8066. Thanks for tuning in, and this has been Jurisprudence by Jen.